How? Hold on, bro. How?
This was a disgrace.
I mean, I see this. It's so incredible.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
On to Rodri. Rodri in the penalty area. On it goes to Nunes. Nunes, the ball in and in by O'Reilly for number 2.
Ding, 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 ding. Boom. Okay. Shin Pu.
And O'Reilly's there again.
Wow. Wow. Let's just give me a second.
With a simple header back across, makes absolutely no mistake.
Let me process that.
Than it has so far. 2 goals in a cup final for a local man. Drifts away in dreamland for Manchester City. Pep Guardiola running down the touchline.
Big God, big God, big God, big God. SpongeBob, big God, pants okay. SpongeBob, big.
Absolutely massive for Manchester City, not just for this. Could this be the turning point?
It's embarrassing. It's a disgrace.
Stop. What do you mean by that?
Yes, I said it. Yes, I said it.
Wembley winners again.